In this lab, we're going to be doing the password reset broken logic. So this lab's password reset functionality is vulnerable. To solve the lab, we need to reset Carlos's password, then log in and access his My Account page. We're given our credentials, Wiener and Peter, and our victim's username is Carlos. So let's go ahead and spin up the lab. Here we have a username, a password, and we have a forgot password link. So let's explore this a little bit. Go to forgot password, username or email. We know that our username is Wiener. Please check the email for our password reset link. So if we go to the email client, we access our email, and it says, please follow this link to reset your password. We can type in our new password. Just for simplicity's sake, I'm going to type in our current password of Peter, and that should have reset our password. So if we go and log in with Wiener and Peter, right, log out, we know kind of how the password reset functionality works. Let's go ahead and explore this in Burp Suite. So if we scroll all the way down to the most recent requests, we have a home page. We also should have a forgot password page as well, which is right here, forgot password. We have this temp forgot password token parameter, and we have a token right here. So if we go over to the request, we can kind of look at this a little bit, and we can see that the new password is here in plain text. And it also has the username as a parameter as well. So if we want to fiddle with this request, we're going to right click and go to repeater so we can send it as many times as we want. And we're going to first kind of see what our limitations are. So let's try deleting these tokens. Change this to Peter1, Peter1, and let's see if this goes through. And it says 302 found. Most likely, this is going to be us being able to successfully change our password to Peter1. If we follow the redirection, we go over to the home page, and that's what we saw before when we changed our password. So if we go back over to the lab and we try to log in, we can say Wiener, and we can try logging in with our old password of Peter, and it says invalid username and password. If we try one more time with Peter1, then we're able to log in. Okay, so we can see that it doesn't matter if we have that token to change our password. We can kind of just remove that. And we also saw that we have a username parameter here. And so we can actually change that as well if the application doesn't do a additional check for the correct username. So let's go ahead and let's send this back to repeater. Delete our tokens. And let's change our username. Let's leave the new password as Peter. If we send, we get a 302. And if we follow the redirection, we get the home page. And so let's try to log back in as Carlos. And we should have been able to change the password to Peter without having to go and click that password link. And there we are. We have successfully logged in as Carlos, and we're on his My Account page. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.